Hi. Military technology keeps advancing at an incredible rate that if you date back to World War II and see the weapons compared to today's, it's simply mind-blowing just how far advanced things are becoming, and from the looks of it, warfare is poised to become more dangerous than it ever was, from drones in the sky to drones fitted with incredible weaponry to small unarmed aircraft that are launched from carriers in the sky. Security clearance has been granted. Check out these 10 insane futuristic weapons and be sure to subscribe to Inside 10s and hit the notification bell to be up to date with our other cool videos. Number 10. Lifecard Tooted as the last gun you'll leave behind, the Lifecard is a single-shot, single-action .22 designed to resemble an innocuous credit card with ammo storage for 4 rounds. Fashioned from lightweight anodized aluminum with a steel trigger and lift-up barrel, the 7-ounce pistol folds up into a 3.375-inch by a 2.215-inch card that, despite its half-inch thickness, can fit with relative ease inside your back pocket or average wallet. Wow, what an inventory! Number 9. Armatix Smart Pistol. The Armatix Smart Pistol is a .22 caliber pistol with smart technology designed to ensure it can only be fired by an authorized user. Unlike designs from the movies, this gun doesn't function by a fingerprint reader on the grip, but instead requires the use of an accompanying smartwatch. This watch operates as an RFID key to the lock, allowing it to fire. The watch itself also holds the real-time data on the gun, including battery charge levels and the number of shots fired within a given time frame. Number 8. Laser Weapon System Laws. The laser weapon system is essentially exactly what it sounds like, a ship-mounted laser cannon. This laser system allows for pinpoint targeting and destruction of enemies' assets, including everything from a small ordnance to enemy craft engines. You only need to see the laser in action to appreciate its benefits. It also has the advantage of being the most cost-effective and efficient when compared with traditional projectile weaponry, as it only requires sufficient power to fire, where missiles need to be built, transported, stored, and maintained to be used. Number 7. Electromagnetic Railgun. This monster cannon is the culmination of over a decade's worth of development and testing, an electromagnetic railgun capable of firing projectiles at over 4,500 mph and smashing through concrete structures 100 miles away. Electromagnetic railguns are said to be the future of warfare, as like other weapons on this list, they use laser energies rather than traditional explosive materials and controlled explosions. The result is a long-range weapon with much greater accuracy. They do, however, require a great deal of power, and scientists are still working on perfecting the output for maximum performance without actually tearing the weapon apart when it fires. Number 6. Metalstorm Sentry Gun. Metalstorm has created a 36-barreled stacked projectile volley gun, boasting the highest rate of fire in the world. The prototype array demonstrated a firing rate of just 1 million rounds per minute for a 180-round burst of 0.01 seconds. Firing within 0.1 seconds from up to 1,600 barrels at maximum configuration. The gun claimed a maximum rate of fire of 1.62 million RPM and creating a dense wall 0.1 m between follow-up projectiles of 24,000 projectiles. Would you want to try it? Number 5. Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System, MARS. Why send men to do a job when robot can do it just as well? While most of us live in fear of being replaced by robots, soldiers on the battlefield are probably grateful to see this tracked monster rock up alongside them. The Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System is a heavily armed bot designed to save lives and handle situations too dangerous to send real people into. The Mars robot can be armed with 400-round M240B machine gun, a grenade launcher, or even used to drag injured soldiers out of danger. Capable of a top speed of just 7 mph, it's just about fast enough to keep up with the troops and has the staying power too. With a battery system capable of running up to 12 hours, luckily there's no AI involved, so we're not going to see the robot uprising just yet. Are you having fun? Ensure to subscribe and join the Inside 10's notification squad to view our other insane videos. Number 4. Cornershot. Being able to shoot around corners is the military opponent's dream. meaning they can fire at a target without exposing themselves to risk. The Cornershot device itself is capable of working with a range of pistols, which makes it flexible, but due to the nature of the weapon, its range is effectively limited to 100 meters. Number 3. Fostech Origin 12 Shotgun. The Fostech Origin 12 shotgun is pitched as the world's fastest firing shotgun. Although not fully automatic, this shotgun is capable of firing 30 rounds in under 8 seconds. It's also capable of working with a Silencer Co-Salvo 12 sound suppressor, making it a menacing weapon in anyone's hands. Number 2. Personal Halting and Stimulation Response Phaser Rifle. This crazy-looking weapon first appears like an alien technology or something out of a science fiction flick. It's a non-lethal incapacitation device designed to temporarily blind and disorient targets. The phaser rifle fires a low-intensity laser beam with a blinding effect, and it's perfect for a variety of situations where the aim is to disable the target. Number 1. Magneto Hydrodynamic Explosive Munition Mayhem. The Mayhem weapon system by DARPA uses a magnetic flux generator to fire a projectile without the traditional use of chemical explosives, creating a more efficient and precise launch system. This projectile weapon system also uses molten metal to penetrate enemy armored vehicles, increasing lethality and effectiveness on the battlefield. Which of these futuristic weapons impress you the most? Let us know in the comment section below, and be sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to Inside Tens so you don't miss any of our insane videos in the future. Check out our videos on the left and right now appearing on the screen. See you soon!